Hey there, welcome back to Ayukaship YouTube channel, and today in this video I have got my hands on something very special for Redmi Note 10 and you will see this in future. So what is it and how does it perform? Let's find out. So this is my Redmi Note 10 and it is almost 5 years old, and today I have installed PixelOS 17 based on Android 17 on it. This is basically a pre-release version of PixelOS 17 and it has some bugs and they will get fixed in the release version. And as you can see, it looks very cool. The setup screen is also updated to the latest and it is almost buttery smooth. As you can see, I am scrolling through menus. It does not lag at all and doesn't show even a jitter. Now let me go to the display settings and disable the dark mode so you can see better. Display also has so many features available in this version. The modded theme, the colors and the display looks very good. As you can see, there are several display features present as well, and you can also enable pure dark theme for AMOLED displays. You can also adjust the color scheme according to your preference. There are some other display features available as well. As you can see, inside the display features option, you can enable FPS overlay. It will show the FPS of the system, and you can also enable high brightness mode. You can also enable anti-flicker. As you can see in the video, the flicker disappears. Now let me go to the about page of this ROM and then I will show you the Easter egg of Android 17. And this is the about page of this ROM, and if you tap multiple times on 17, it will show you the Easter egg. And this is the Easter egg of Android 17. You can also see the build number here and also enable developer options by tapping multiple times on it. The kernel version is still 4.14 but it is updated to 5.10 BPF. Everything in this ROM works perfectly fine, like fingerprint, face unlock or even Bluetooth. Now let me show you the smoothness of the ROM with blur and without blur as well. As you can see, it almost looks like it is running on 60 Hz. The scrolling and app opening and closing as well as the QS opening and closing looks very fast. Blur is disabled by default in this ROM for this device, but let me enable the blur and then I will show you the smoothness as well. And as you can see, the QS panel is still pretty smooth even with blur enabled. I'm daily driving this ROM and the main reason to stay on this is the smoothness. The app drawer sometimes lags, but it will get fixed in the released version. Now let's talk about the storage. You will get around 110 GB free storage if your variant is 128 GB. And as you can see, the Android 17 is taking about 16 GB. Now to talk about the battery backup of this ROM, it is perfect. I have charged my device to 100 last night and it is now 99%. Kernel profile is also there. You can enable it for performance or power saving or balanced mode. There are some customization features as well for wallpaper, layout or even icons. You can enable or disable monet icons. You can also change the shape of the icons. And this is my favorite wallpaper, so let me apply it and then I will show you how it looks at the home screen. And as you can see, the device now looks almost like a Pixel device. Now to talk about the camera, it comes with aperture camera and it captures almost all the details of the image. Compared to stock, it is way better. My camera is a bit blurry as I have opened the device multiple times, but you can still see it captured the image perfectly. The ROM is so smooth that you will forget that it is a budget device from 5 years ago. Even after 5 years, it got Android 17 update before many devices. This ROM also has a private space feature. You can hide apps and images or videos or any files here. So let's wait for its release. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe for more content like this.